Hello my doves, welcome to Aphrodite by Olympia. Today's video is going to be a tutorial and review on the Focullure So Hot eyeshadow palette. Looks a little something like this. So if you want to see what look I create and my thoughts on this brand, I suggest you keep watching.
Drop that, yeah, feel the funk, y'all, yeah, feel the funk, y'all, yeah, you lay back in the cut, what's up, what's up?
Okay guys, so this little beauty has been sitting in my two-film basket for about a month now, which is bad, it's very bad, but I'm so happy to get stuck into Focullure. Now, it's a little weird because this eyeshadow palette on the Focullure website, so focullure.com, is down for $34, but it's currently, so at the point that I'm filming this, because this price might change, it's currently going for $12.49. Now, I can't remember exactly how much I paid for this palette. I think it was around $13 anyway. They are always having these 30% off sales. There are heaps of influencers on here who have discount codes. I know Courtney Marie has a discount code, so I will pop up on the screen Courtney's discount code if you want to go to the website and purchase something. Now, I have to say this. Shipping was literally like a month. This company is a US company, so they design all their products and their ideas and makeup, whatever, in the US, but it's actually made in China. So because it's made in China, I found that it took forever to reach me. I was constantly checking my, my post office app to see if it had arrived yet. It took so long. So just bear that in mind. If you're going to do an order, I will just go ahead and do a bulk order and get what you want. Use their 30% off sales that they've got going and use a discount code because you will save a lot of money, trust. So also about this palette, so it's a great companion palette if you've got a lot of neutrals already. This features a luxurious variety of tropical hues with a complementary staple shades. Use the palette to complete your look with shimmering toppers in glistering pinks and airy bronzes with richly pigmented, easy to blend hues. Creating a look fit for paradise is endless. Dual-sided soft bristle brush included. It has 16.8 grams net weight. It's cruelty-free and it's vegan, worldwide shipping. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do a look with this palette. Let's zoom you guys in and let's get started. Now guys, I do have to stress that I am meeting some friends for lunch, so this is going to be a daytime look. I wanted to use the shimmers or the toppers, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna get a chance to. I'm really feeling the oranges and the yellow. I really want to use this shade, but not in today's look. I've been doing a lot of blue shades lately. Yeah, today's not the day, but these four, yes, they need to happen. Okay, so we're gonna prime the lid with the P.Louise face base in the shade Rumour 2. Now, I'm not going to do a cut crease today. I'm going to do a really simple, colourful look as promised. So just going to tap that in. Now, tapping is deliberate. Makes it more opaque and helps it retain its sticky base. Alright, so we're gonna go into the shade Lemon Juice and we're gonna start on the inner corner. So that yellow is not as pigmented as I was hoping for. Now let's transition that. Let's do into the shade Tomato, which is an orange. I'm using a Zoeva Luxe Crease 228 brush. Next we're going to go into the shade, I think it's called Rufus. It's a red. Just bring that red down as well. This is supposed to be my daytime look. Oh gosh. Okay, going in the shade Chili, which is like a coral, on a Zoeva Luxe Crease brush. We're going to just use it to soften that transition there. Really feel like cutting my crease, like I really do. I feel like it, I have this urge, but I'm not going to. I'm also going to put that same orange tomato shade just underneath here. It's basically what you see on the top, bit at the bottom. And I'm going to do the same for the yellow, the lemon juice. I want to blend some more. And I'm just going to bring that coral shade down here as well. Now I'm not going to do a liner. I think that looks really good on its own like that. Yes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Okay guys, I'm going to quickly go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I am going to be doing a bronzer review, and I'm also currently doing a wear test on the Tarte face tape in the shade, that's not Rich Golden. So I'm wearing that currently on my face. I will quickly finish the rest of my makeup, do that final video, and I'll be back to talk about my final thoughts for the So Hot by Focullure eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, this is the final completed look. Yes, it's very colourful, yet really simple and daytime, I feel. So the So Hot by Focullure eyeshadow palette. Now, I didn't use any of the shimmer shades, so I can't unfortunately comment on those. I will say though that the matte shades are, they're good. They're not, they're like, what am I trying to say? They're pigmented, but you do have to build up the color, at least on my complexion. Maybe if I'd gone on a base that was a little bit lighter, it would pop more. But listen, I'm not unhappy with it. I did have to kind of work a little bit more with that yellow. It's just not as punchy as I would like. But that's not a bad thing. Sometimes, you know, with yellows, you just want to wash off color. The way I used it pressed in, I was expecting it to be a lot more pigmented and punchy, but it wasn't. I think punchy is like my favorite word. Anyway, so for the price, you're getting some really good mattes. Like the mattes are good. These two shades here, beautiful to blend, no issues. Chili, this coral shade, hands down one of my most favorite shades I have come across. There's just something just so feminine and fun and happy about this shade here. I just kind of want to do a look with it all over my lid, maybe deepen it out with chestnut, and then maybe go with flamingo on the inner corner, like, you know, just here. I'm envisioning that look right now. So yeah, this palette's so versatile. You've got your standard kind of neutral shades with heaps of pops of blue, yellow. Oh, I'm gonna use this shade too. Yes. Let me know if you want to see more looks with this eyeshadow palette. I love it. I can't recommend it more. I feel like Focallure did really well when they were picking this color story out. Each shade kind of has a place and has meaning, and yeah, it's a good one, guys. I like it. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you pretties on my next video. Bye.